Okay, my friends, so we're here. We're on the east side of San Halo. That's our vehicle right there. I don't know if you can see it, but right, let me put my finger right there. Okay, that's where we're going. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride. Who broke it?
That's the only way. That's
What?
Who broke it? That's it.
Blue shirt.
Oh, right here, huh?
Yeah.
right. That's
Yeah,
the
that's-
other way.
Fell right into it.
There's no rocks though.
Oh, he came
Yeah,
up,
that's it.
didn't see it,
Oh,
and fell into the pit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's easy. Okay. Well, we need to push it as much as we can that way.
Stay tuned, my friends. We're gonna transform our transformer, make it into a truck, and then pull it out. Hopefully we can. Okay. Stay tuned. Let's get more. Okay, my friends. We're gonna transform this thing,
Okay, Chipper.
and we're gonna try to get it out of here the best way we can. Okay, so
Just don't dump, does it?
stay tuned.
Yeah, it'll dump.
Oh, it will.
And also transform into a tow truck in about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes.
Like the transformer?
Yeah.
That's what it's called. Transford. Brr. Okay, my friends, we are ready to roll. We lowered we got it hooked up. We're ready to roll. We're gonna try to go back exactly the same way we came in. So I'll show you the way back. Okay, stay tuned. Soon, my friends.
Yeah.
Very soon. So stay tuned and follow us. That way you can see it firsthand. Subscribe, please.
So you can enjoy more videos of those Mexicans.
Los dos primos.
Yes.
Okay, my friends.
Okay.
This is the last. We got like a quarter of a mile to get to the parking lot. And friends. Another happy customer. Yeah. Oy. Okay, there's a finished product, my friends. Safe, nothing happened to it. Everything in one piece. So far so good, my friends. So far so good. ¿Dónde va? We're gonna load it onto a trailer. That way we could have everything.
Good.
See, there's a broken part right there.
Let me see, Chipito.
So we're good. Everything in one piece.
Yes.
No damage at all.
Yeah.
So fíjale si traen la trailer.
Okay.
Okay, my friends, that was a successful recovery. Our transformer did really well. But sooner or later we're gonna have to buy some better shocks. We're gonna ask the boss for some Fox shocks, something that doesn't bounce around so much. Okay, so stay tuned, my friends, and enjoy the ride.